how do we use PropStream to find subject to deals? Let's say Birmingham or a different city, it doesn't matter. But yeah, how do we do that?
Yeah, so the easiest thing you probably want to narrow down, obviously, when doing a subject to, one of the most important aspects is there a note on the property? And thankfully, we have mortgage filters. So at the very bottom of our lead list filtering menu here is our mortgage section. And so if we are trying to go after a subject to, some things I would note would be, is it an assumable loan? And cool thing is we have loan type features. So you can go in here and say, I need all the conventionals, FHA, VA loans. And obviously, an interest rate plays a vital role in doing a subject to or buying notes or other creative seller finding strategies, if you will. So in this case, maybe I want something that's no more than 4% of an interest rate. So at minimum, I would start here. Let's make sure there's a note on the property that's assumable with a low interest rate. Maybe to help us out even more, we can even narrow it down so that it's a fixed rate. Why? Because we don't need it to make any adjustments on us
How do
along
you
the way,
know
right?
what the rate is and if it's fixed or not?
That's essentially our goal as a company. Our goal is to get the data providers out there collecting the data. We go buy it, which is very, very expensive. We make sure we audit it, clean it up, and then we put it in here. Now, in terms of the rate, so no one really knows what the rate is. It's only between owner and the bank, but there are some indexes out there that we can cross-reference the data. So what we're able to do is take the recording date, the loan type, cross-reference it with that index, and get you an assumption on where that rate could be at
Totally
that
makes sense.
time. Now, again, to your point, Dustin, it could be off by a point, could be off by zero point 0.5. There is some discrepancy in there, but our goal is to constantly, implement logic or look for that, you know, more aggressive provider and go from
And it's
there.
and it's easy to see. I mean, somebody could pay down their rate and all that sort of stuff. But if you just said they bought it this date, what were the mortgage rates on, average back then? That's another good way to figure out if, hey, it's
That's
not like
exactly
20%.
the
Yeah.
process. Exactly. So you have loan types, interest rates, interest rate types, and then what I would do on top of not only making sure there's, your mortgage in play, but then again, back to the original process, I would also narrow down what type of property you're trying to go after, because again, we could have a mortgage on a commercial building, a mortgage on a vacant plot of land. So I always encourage make sure you're specific on your property details. That's going to save you marketing money at the end of the day. And then last but not least, you can either stop there or we can go in our lead list and just add that motivation on top of it. So for example, a very popular category for subject to is failed listings. You try to sell it at full price, that didn't work out, but because you have a 4% assumable loan, have you heard of this strategy called subject to? So here's a list I would say is very, very common in the subject to world in terms of going after some motivated, and I
Well,
use the
they
air
couldn't
quotes
sell
on
it,
there.
in the regular market, and so maybe they might be motivated to
Yeah,
sell it in creative ways.
yeah, and absolutely. And I have users that are like, well, I don't want them to fail. What if they're on the market now? Again, guys, we have an on-market option here, so you can even do on-market if you're looking for on-market. We have no discrepancy whether you want on, off-market, you do. If you are going to look at on-market, one popular filter that I see people use with on-market is the days on-market filter. So in this case, I'm not just looking for anybody on market. I'm looking for someone who's been on market for maybe 5 months or more with an assumable loan at 4%. So now is the time to start planting that seed because maybe in the next 30 days, 60 days, when it fails, they already know who I am, right? So again, on market, off market, there's so many different strategies, but at minimum for subject to, I would make sure that you start with the mortgage, make sure it's assumable, have the rates that you need, and then property details, and then any motivated factor on top of that.
Terrific. And a special thanks to PropStream for jumping on and walking us through how to find these great deals. You can get a discount from PropStream and get a 7-day free trial if you go to masterpassiveincome.com/PropStream. The link will be in the description. So definitely check it out there. Get the discount. You also even, I think sometimes they even give away $50 extra in your account so that you can even start doing direct mail or doing skip tracing and all that sort of stuff. But you definitely want to use PropStream, get that discount, get the trial and everything. Go to masterpassiveincome.com/PropStream.